Alright, so here we have October's Petrol Box. Let's get it open, see what we got. Alright. Here, little description stuff. Start off with the microfiber they threw in. I can't fold it. Microfiber. Interior detailer. And the little spray nozzle. Then I will do the shirt. Might be a Hoonigan shirt, just because this is Hoon. I'll open this up right now in a bit. Oh, alright, cool. Got some tire cap valve stems. Pretty cool because I needed some. Oh, there's Hoonigan. That's dope. I'm cool with it. Got an air freshener. The Hoonigan. The Hoonicorn. We got this month's subscriber. Or right of the month. And then the sticker. Yeah, the sticker. So I'm guessing this is gonna be the design on the shirt. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna start off with the interior detailer. I'm gonna give you guys the description of what it says. So we got the Vash. I don't know how you pronounce the brand. It's called Vash Auto Care Interior Detailer. Makes revitalizing your interior as easy as 1, 2, 3. Our multi-purpose detailer can be used to rid contaminants of virtually any interior surface, whether it be steering wheels, touch screens, door panels, consoles, dash and trim, leather and vinyl, etc. We formulated our interior detailer with anti-static agents and long-lasting polymers to provide a durable layer of protection against harmful bacteria, oils, and worst of all, UV rays that can cause fading, cracking to your interior. So this is going to be come in handy for my dash. Hopefully it doesn't crack it. That's what it says on there, that it helps prevent that, so that should come in handy. And then it does come with I mean, they did throw in a microfiber too, so that's also there. Let's see. Alright, up next we got the Hoonigan Industries Fine Hoonage sticker. Purveyors of Hoonigan Industry. That's pretty cool sticker. We got that. Let's see what else we got. Got the Hoonicorn. Ken Block's Drift Mustang. Pretty cool. Then the subscribers month winner this month. Pretty dope Mercedes. Then we got an orange air freshener. So I'm guessing it smells like orange. It's, yeah, it looks orange to me. Cool. And I would have to say this is probably my favorite thing in the box. I ain't gonna lie. Some Hoonigan valve stem covers. About to put them on these wheels right here once I clean them up. So these are gonna fit in right up in there. So that's cool. And then let me open up the shirt for you. Alright, so off the bat, after I open the shirt, this thing is super crisp. Look at that, super crisp. That's what I like to see. But yeah, pretty good, pretty clean. Let me open it up. Alright, so yeah, just a Hoonigan shirt. Hoonigan. Same as the sticker. And then on the back, it's just a bigger version of it, just blown up. Like I said, I like this design, so it's pretty dope. Alright, so that's this month's October Petrol Box. If you guys enjoyed, just leave a like. Anything you guys want to tell me, leave in the comments. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Overall, this box is pretty good. Everything about stem caps, just gonna put on one of my wheels over there. Alright y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next unboxing.